We're looking at self-difference, and this is where we have minus. So with minus, we have r minus s. It doesn't look familiar. We've gone over previous intersections and unions, and those are in the playlist link below the like button. This is for our database management system, where we're covering all of these notes here. So the r minus s are two operands, and they must be union compatible. So that means that they have to have the same number of attributes inside of them. For a result, it's going to be a relation that includes all tuples that are in R, but not inside of S. So none of them that they share, none of them that S is involved with. We have an example right here. So this example is saying that we want all students that are not instructors. So if we are given students, instructors, and then we have a result, being sent to our result is our student minus instructor. So we have the student with these attributes, and then we have the instructor with these attributes. So we have student minus instructor, meaning that every instructor that's inside of our student, or one that is part of the instructor, is not going to be in our result. So this is our result. And then we have instructors that are not students. So these instructors, only John Smith would be inside of here because he's the only one not a student. Then we have an example right here where we're writing things out. For this example, we have the element student, element instructor, and they have these attributes. We want to retrieve the first name and last name of each student who is not an instructor. So first we need to remove our ADDR and our phone. That is just to make these union compatible. Once we remove them, they're going to look like this. So in here, we are getting all of our tuples. Those are the rows, and we're getting the ones of our first name, last name for the student, and then the first name, last name for our instructor. We're subtracting them, and then we are going to get this result. So this would be stored in result, and then we would just send that those attributes there, and it'll be stored there, and that's how we would look at that. So that is it for our set differences. This is for minuses. Next, we're going to look at commutative and associative with our Cartesian product.